And good morning, and welcome to another episode of Southern Cross Prospecting. This morning, actually probably this week, I'm going to put a few cooking videos, lockdown recipes on. So if you want to watch. If you don't. If you want to subscribe. If you don't. And anyway, first one will be how to make sausage rolls. And I'd also like to thank everyone for their support and watching, because I've just reached my first 1,000 hours of watch time. Wow, that's a lot of watch time. Anyway, thank you all for that. And today I'm going to cook for you sausage rolls, Australian style. So forget about all them other recipes on YouTube. The English sausage rolls are a joke and everyone else has got them on. I'll show you the proper way to make a sausage roll. Stay in tune. Okay, here we go. To make sausage rolls, some ground beef. You need about 1/3 ground pork, at least 30%. You can put even 50-50. Give that a bit of a mix together. Okay, now we've got finely chopped onions. That's a whole large onion. You can't really put too much onion in it. We've got about 3 very large cloves of garlic. We've got 1 egg. And we have salt. Meat loves salt. So you want a good teaspoon of salt in it. Black pepper. Worcestershire sauce. Pretty hard to say that, isn't it? You give that a good mix together. Until all the ingredients are well mixed. The onions and everything right through, and it's very wet now because of the water in the meat and because of the egg. So what we do, get some breadcrumbs. I'm just using panko. You don't want too much. In Australia, when you go to the supermarkets, when you go to the bakeries and whatever, half the sausage rolls are just all breadcrumbs these days. There's not much meat in it. And they use sausage mince, which is all the offal and pig's lips and tits and arseholes in it. It's all the rubbish meat. It tastes alright, but this is the proper way to do it. So you just add a little bit of breadcrumbs just to take the moisture from the egg out. So it's not dry, but it's just it's nothing worse than eating a sausage roll. It's just all breadcrumbs, you know. Alright, and that's your meat mix ready to go. Okay. Now I've got some puff pastry. I'm just using the Edo puff pastry. It's really good pastry. This is half a pack. You get 4 more or less squares in it. I know that 2 sheets joined together make exactly 6 sausage rolls. Alright. So you get your meat. Give it a pretty generous amount of meat. Simply roll it over. Cut that off. Squash it out till your meat starts coming out the ends evenly. Cut that in half. Get a fork and prick the top 3 times. You get your bowl with plate with some panko on it. First, what you want to do, you can do, you don't have to, but I do, is where the join is, I just pinch the join. It's on the bottom, you don't see it. Just pinch it so it don't break apart and swell up too much. And just dip the top of your sausage roll in breadcrumbs, and that's ready to cook. Just put that on your pan. So just pinch the bottom edge. Dip it in some breadcrumbs. And voila, that's it. With my second lot, I'm going to make them a little bit different. This is my favourite ones. I've got some tasty based burger cheese. Now you can use mozzarella. Mozzarella's great. Stick some cheese in there. Right in the middle. Cover it over a bit. Roll it over. Squish it out till the meat starts coming out the ends a bit. Same process. A few pricks in the top. Dip them in some panko. And that's it. They'll be beautiful when you cut into them, bite in them. A beautiful cheese will be oozing out. It'll be just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I've got me 2 beautiful cheese sausage rolls. I've got 3 other. They're big sausage rolls. You can make them as big as you want, but I like a fair bit of meat in them. Make sure you flatten them out a bit so that the meat in there, it isn't too round and it takes too long to cook. You don't want raw in the middle. So what over here, I've got a bit of me mix left over. So with the leftover meat, you put a little bit of oregano in it, a little bit of paprika. You put any herbs you want in it. A little bit of Italian mixed spices. Give it a mix. You can make little ones for the kids out of egg rings, but I've got this big pastry cutter thing. Press that into your ring evenly. And there we go, you've got a beautiful hamburger patty, and you can freeze them until you're ready to use them. A little one for the wifey, she's only got a little tummy. So I've got 2 beautiful big hamburger patties, look at that. They're nice and thick and beautiful. They'd be beautiful on the grill or in the fry pan. The little ones, you can just squash them out a bit when you cook them. Voila. I've got my little trusty oven preheated, 200 degrees. Whack them right in the middle. Just let them cook for about 15 minutes. Keep your eye on it. Just when they're nice and golden brown and puffed up on top, they're ready. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, they look like they're ready. I've been keeping an eye on them the whole time. It's time to take them out. Okay, now look at them. I've taken them out of the oven. They've been sitting and curling for 5 minutes. And just look at that, golden brown, beautiful Australian style sausage rolls. How easy was that, eh? What I got here, some beautiful sausage rolls. Bit of dead horse, tomato sauce. Oh, yeah. Got the cheese in the middle. You won't buy sausage rolls like this in the bakeries or in the service stations, mate. It's about as good as what it gets. Want some of this? Bad luck. Alright, if you like the video, give it the big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click subscribe. And I hope to see you soon.